tears in my eyes, thunder and pain underneath broken skies. Many tried to bury the truth in my soul, but Jah gave me strength when I lost control. Mama kept praying through the hurricane night, candles in the darkness still burning bright. Every scar upon me tells a story untold. A survivor's spirit can never be sold. When the road gets rough and the mountain too steep, Jah watch over every soul that weep. No chain can hold what the Most High free. I rise again like the deep blue sea. This is the prayer of a survivor, singing loud to take me higher. Through the suffering and the pain, Jah rain mercy like the rain. This is the prayer of a survivor, burning brighter than the fire. Though the wicked try divide, love and truth shall be my guide. Children crying in the streets of despair, still we lift our voices up in prayer. From Kingston town to Abidjan shore, one love calling forevermore. They can steal the gold and poison the land, but they cannot break a righteous man. I carry hope like a drumbeat sound, roots so deep they can't tear down. Even when the night try cover the sun, the battle of righteousness still won. Every fallen tear become a seed. Jah provide for every need. This is the prayer of a survivor, singing louder, take me higher. Through the suffering and the pain, Jah rain mercy like the rain. This is the prayer of a survivor, burning brighter than the fire. Though the wicked try divide, love and truth shall be my guide. Africa unite, hear the people cry. Liberty beneath the burning sky. No more hatred, no more war tonight. Only Jah love and the children's life. Those survivor, never lose your way. Warning comes after the darkest day. Raise your hands and let your spirit sing. Jah alone is everything. This is the prayer of a survivor, heart is stronger, climbing higher. Every trial made me strong. Now the whole world sing this song. This is the prayer of a survivor, soul of thunder, voice of fire. Through the valleys we survive. Jah keep the truth alive. I may stumble, I may fall, but Jah love conquer all. Survivor praying through the night, till the morning brings the light. This is the prayer of a survivor, heartbeat stronger, climbing higher. Jah love conquer all, survive